this is my installation. It's called Potato Power Cosmos, and it's about how the interrelated systems of CERN. So you've got the human, the machine and the experiment, and I wanted to do a piece of work that showed all of that. Running through the whole installation is the idea of energy, so energy through the potatoes that you can eat yourself and also energy that's created in the battery. The installation itself won't work without the human interacting with it. I really wanted to do something with potatoes because you form this like the lowest energy thing in the place of high energy physics, and so that was quite amusing to me as well, and the idea of planting up all of the area around CERN to create this sort of off-grid battery to fire the LHC.